On May 22, 2025, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the 103 redeveloped Amrit Bharat stations under its Amrit Bharat Station scheme across the 18 states and union territories, marking a historic landmark achievement in the Indian Railways infrastructure. In this context, let us learn in detail about the Amrit Bharat Station scheme. The origin of this Amrit Bharat Station scheme traces back to the year 2021. When Gandhinagar became the first Indian railway station to upgrade for modernization, replete with all the modern facilities and a 5-star hotel. And then in the year 2023, the Ministry of Railways formally launched the Amrit Bharat Station scheme as a long-term plan to redevelop, upgrade or renovate the 1275 railway stations across the Indian railway systems. The goal of this Amrit Bharat Station scheme is to make stations cleaner, more comfortable and easier to use. This involves the creation of the master plans and executing them in a phase-wise manner. The scheme will focus on the upgradation, renovation or the redevelopment of the railway stations, including improving the entry and exit points, waiting halls, toilets, providing free Wi-Fi services, drinking water facilities, along with the lifts and escalator and etc. Also, the scheme focuses on the upgradation of the station building structures, that is connecting the both sides of the city through the railway station and linking the station with all other modes of transportation such as bus stations and the metro stations, thereby strengthening the multimodal connectivity. Furthermore, the Amrit Bharat Station scheme focuses on encouraging the indigenous and localized products by giving a kiosk or a stall in the station for promoting the indigenous products through its One Station One Product scheme. Additionally, the Amrit Bharat Station scheme will also aim to make the railway stations Divyang friendly railway stations, aligning with the principle of Accessible India campaign. And one of the most significant feature of this Amrit Bharat Station scheme is that the design of the redevelopment or the modernization of the railway stations will be based or inspired from the local culture, heritage and architecture. For example, the Ahmedabad railway station will be inspired by the Modhera Sun temple, whereas the Dwarka station will be inspired from the Dwarkadish temple. And the Gurugram station will be built on the IT theme, whereas the Baleshwar station in the Odisha will be based on the Puri Jagannath temple. Also, the Begumpet railway station in Hyderabad will be based on the Kakatiya architecture. So through this Amrit Bharat Station scheme, we can say that the Indian Railways is not just moving its people. It is moving forward with the vision of Vikasit Bharat 2047.